Hi, today let's take a look at labels in Chatwoot. Labels help teams organize conversations, highlight priority work, and keep queues easy to scan as the inbox gets busy. Create a label for the kind of work your team tracks every day. Give it a clear name, choose a color, and save. Once it appears here, it's ready for any conversation that matches that topic. Now open a conversation and use the side panel to add the label. The conversation is tagged immediately, and the activity message gives the team a clear trail. If it no longer applies, remove it from the same panel. Back in conversations, labels make the queue easier to scan. Click a label in the sidebar, and the team can jump straight into the right work with context already in view. When the wording or color needs to change, open the label, edit the details, and save. The update lands without changing the rest of the inbox. And that's labels in Chatwoot. Simple to create, easy to apply, and clear for every queue.